I've been exploring the Tangem Pay Visa card in 2025, and it's shaping up to be a game changer for crypto users who want to spend their digital assets in the real world. By combining the security of a cold wallet with the convenience of a Visa card, Tangem offers a unique solution that bridges the gap between crypto and traditional finance. The Tangem Pay Visa card allows you to spend your cryptocurrencies directly at any merchant that accepts Visa, without the need to preload fiat currency. Your private keys remain securely stored on the card's EL6 Plus certified chip, ensuring that your assets are protected while providing the flexibility to use them for everyday transactions. One of the standout features is its user-friendly design. The card operates without batteries or cables and pairs effortlessly with the Tangem mobile app via NFC. This setup allows for quick and secure transactions, making it accessible even to those new to cryptocurrency. Security is a top priority for Tangem. The card chip generates a random, non-extractable private key during activation, and there have been no reported hacks among the over 1 million cards issued. Additionally, the absence of a traditional seed phrase reduces the risk of phishing attacks. However, it's worth noting that Tangem Pay is still in its rollout phase, with availability currently limited to certain regions. Also, while the card supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, users seeking advanced features like multiple public keys per blockchain or customizable transaction fees may find these options lacking. If you're looking for a secure and convenient way to integrate your crypto holdings into daily spending, the Tangem Pay Visa card presents a compelling option. Its innovative design bridges the gap between digital assets and traditional payment systems, making it a noteworthy development in the evolving landscape of cryptocurrency usage. If this review helped you understand the features and benefits of the Tangem Pay Visa card, please like the video, share it with someone interested in crypto payment solutions, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.